Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I plan months ahead using stickers. And I'm going to be focusing on my memory planner, which is this 18-month one from the Michael's Recollections line. It started in July of this year, goes all the way to December of 2021. It is a vertical layout and it's also neutral, which is a great base for me creating spreads. I don't have to worry about the colors clashing. It's just all grayscale throughout the whole entire planner, which is why I purchased this one specifically. Now, even though I'm using this one as my memory planner, if you're using this kind of planner as your everyday planner, you should find these tips and tricks helpful as well as you are planning ahead or looking to plan ahead. So when it comes to my planner system, I'm just using two. These are the two that work for me. I have this one, which is all work, all business, just all my brain dump. And then this one, which is all play. I wanted to consolidate it. I was toying with that idea of having everything in one central location, but I love having it separate. And using this planner took me back to when I was first introduced to the planner community back in 2015. I was using a Happy Planner at the time, and I was having so much fun creating spreads. I'll link some videos below for you guys so you can see the evolution of my planning. But I was having so much fun creating spreads, and this just took me back. So this is kind of nostalgic creating these spreads now. When it comes to what I'm putting inside of here, I use my monthly as like a highlight reel to highlight what happened throughout the month. Throughout the week, I will plan every couple of days coming in here every few days and just go and back plan. But one of the main reasons I plan months ahead is because when that week comes around, the spread is already done. All I have to do is fill in the blanks. And if I choose to add more stickers, I can do that. So let me go ahead and share with you guys some of what I recently planned in here. I do have plan with me's from this planner. If you guys would like to see more, just let me know down in the comments. So I have spreads going all the way into December. So as for what September is looking like, this is a kit from Critic Latoy Designs on Etsy, and I love how this is laid out. Now, how I love to plan is that I like to take the stickers and place them, whether I'm going up, down, up, down. I like to have a full box on every single day, depending on how many stickers are in the kit. But usually when I'm buying stickers that are on Etsy, and for my OG planner lovers, a lot of the shops that were on Etsy now have their own websites. So usually stickers like these will come will come 8 to a sheet, I should say. And then from there, I'll just go and space them out. I don't like to have stickers like these on top of each other. So you can see this one has like a quote and this one over here has a quote. I don't like to have them on top of each other. I like to space them out. So how you plan in general, it's your planner. It's all personal preference, but that's how I like to do it. I like to leave open space. So I'll put a box here and a box there, and then you can see all of the blank space that is in between for me to fill in when that week comes up, and that's that. I also created a spread using these stickers from Michael's. This is the Paper House collab that they did, the This Is Us collection. So this one is from the shop Wire and Honey. I think I have the sticker book here somewhere. Where is it? I thought I had it. I don't know. Oh, here it is. Wire and Honey. So these sticker books come with 4 sheets. They're $6.99, but of course, use a coupon. It's Michael's. Use a coupon. So this comes with 4 sheets. I have plenty of stickers if I want to create not only another spread or incorporate it into this existing one or another one. With the Wire and Honey sticker book here, this is more of women empowerment, and it does have some gold foil detail. So I put some long stickers over here, another one over here. I spaced out the boxes. Again, if it has a quote, I'll put like a blank box here, or like a full box of some sort, or even a half box. I just don't like my quotes to be on top of each other. I like to space them out. So that's my personal preference. Then using label stickers from Michaels, I created this back to school spread. And then this is another sticker book from the This Is Us collection. This is from Pretty Prints and Paper, and I still have plenty of stickers in here. I also created this flap, so if I want to write more inside of here, I can, but also it still has that quote sticker that I love. This one, I had a lot of fun putting this one together because the stickers are a little bit different. These are paper, like thicker paper stickers. So a lot of the stickers I use in this planner are forgiving and I can peel them up without ripping the page, but these were a little difficult to work with because they are thicker. And then we move into October. October is my birthday month, and that's where I started using my Simply Me Kish stickers. So I got this Target spread here, and I sat down when I got these stickers, and I just started planning. So I put down this kit all in one session. This one here, this is the Black Panther kit. Rest in peace, Chadwick Boseman. This one here, I used some stickers from Simply Me Kish. And then I had some other stickers. But as you can see, it's a lot of blank space. But for this one, y'all, I have these stickers that I got from the shop Brooklyn Post. This was a limited edition. If you missed it, I'm so sorry you missed it. But do you see these? Like, how can I not cop these? She drew. This is from her Black is King collection. Again, it was very limited edition. I did share it on my IG if you guys follow me there. I was trying to put you on, but if you missed it, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I had to get backups. But this is my birthday week, and of course I'm gonna add in Beyonce here. So these, can you just envision the spread? When it's done, I'll share a picture on my community tab and over on IG. Y'all, I'm so excited. This one here, I am gonna be ordering some stickers from the Jewel Box. She has a new drop coming. Her character that she has associated with her shop is called Lily, and Lily is dressed up as some people. I know there's like an Aaliyah one, a Little Kim one, so I'm going to be creating a spread here using those. So I'm excited to do that one. And then also from Simply Me Kish, it's just a Simply Me Kish planner at this point. I have these stickers as well. I created this little Halloween kit. And then we move into November. Again, a lot of blank space for me to fill in when that week comes. I don't like it to be too sticker heavy. I also don't like to have stickers from top to bottom on my pages. This one is a mix of Anika's Creative Closet, Acricia Latoy Designs as well. This is from A Glittery Life Plans. Wanted to have a little bit of fall vibes inside of here. And then Thanksgiving week, I don't have anything yet because I want to have a very, very, like a real fall theme spread. But then we get into December, and I'm debating on whether I want to do all of December Christmas, which I might. But here we go. Here's one of the Christmas spreads I created, and here is the other one for Christmas week, which I love. So I had a lot of fun sitting down and planning. And the whole thing about planning ahead, whether you're using this as a memory planner or again as your catch-all, use your stickers and leave space. That is the biggest tip that I can give when you're planning ahead. I know a lot of people are weary about it because they're like, I don't want to plan too far ahead and pencil things in. If you have something coming up, use the monthly as your guide. Use the monthly, use sticky notes, or you can go into that week if you have a particular spread and use sticky notes as well to map out the stickers that you want to use. But again, use your monthly as your guide if you have certain things coming up. I would just use sticky notes, and as they become more official and permanent, then, fill it in with a pen. But leave space with your stickers to give you the flexibility to not only add more stickers, but just to write on the page itself. So that is how I plan months ahead using stickers. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So much more coming here on the channel. If you guys would like more of my help on getting your planner system together, be sure to check out my Patreon. You can sign up there, as well as my Crush the Chaos coaching. I'll have all the information in the description box for you to check out. I would love to hear from you guys. Do you guys plan months ahead? What are you currently using as your planner? Let's chat in the comments. Also, in the description box, I'll have links to all of the shops that I talked about, all of the stickers, all of the things, and of course, related videos and the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.